Using a light brown shadow, I'm going to apply it on the crease all the way up to the brow bone and underneath the lower lash line to create this illusion that we are extremely tired. And then with a clean finger, I'm going to apply the NYX shadow in Jaded. I'm going to apply it on the lid and I'm going to drag it to the crease and lower lash line. Then on top of Jaded, I'm going to go into the NYX shadow in Bewitched, just the center of the eyelid and as well the center of the lower lash line where we created this dark circle because we're so tired. Using the NYX matte liquid eyeliner, I'm going to line my eye and also extend the line from my tear duct to create a cat's eye. And also on my crease, I'm going to follow my crease shape and then I'm going to branch out other lines to create this leafy effect. I extended the line up to my hairline and I did little strokes and curves to achieve this root looking shape. Under the lower lash line, I created tiers that branch out. I created 3 in different lengths. One is short, the other one's longer, because we want to give this illusion that we are also decaying like our land. Using the NYX white matte liquid eyeliner, I'm going to add some curves on the tips of the lines we created. With a matte brown eyeshadow, I'm going to go above my eyebrow and create this oval shape around my eye in which later we will shade. Using the NYX eyelid tint in Lip Lingerie, I'm going to smudge it above the eyebrow and extend it to the hairline in order to create this illusion of dirt. Using the NYX white matte liquid liner, I'm creating this curve that sort of looks like a horn, but it's not. And I'm going to put some little leaves on it. While on the other side, I created a crack. Using the NYX matte liquid liner, I'm going to go over the white crack I created in order to give more definition and an edgier, more dark look. It's contouring time, but this time we're going to be a tad bit more dramatic than usual. We're going to focus on the jawline, the nose, and the neck. And we will also be adding the eye tint from NYX that we used previously in Lip Lingerie. Using the NYX Black Matte Liquid Liner, I'm going to create these curves and these lines from my chest, neck, chin, and lip in order to show this illusion of roots or veins, because we are slowly decaying like the land that we so loved. Later on, I decided to smudge the eye tint in Lip 15 and also the NYX Lip Lingerie 13, and also I mixed a purple and brown eyeshadow on top of the veins we created from the neck, chest, chin, and lip to create a more dramatic look because we are decaying. Using a flat foundation brush, I'm going to apply black shadow on my chin in order to have a base of where I'm going to glue some flowers, and on top of that I'm adding some curves to show this illusion of roots. So here I am gluing the flowers. Here I'm creating this paste. I put the powder and apply some water and I mix it and I wait for it to form like a clay texture, and I'm going to apply it on my chest besides the veins I created because this will help give that dirt effect. Because we are very dramatic, we're going to apply some crystals to amp it up. So on the tips of the tears I created on both eyes, I'm going to apply crystals, as well on top of the flowers and also around the oval we created around our eye. For lips, I'm going to use the eye tint in Lip 15, and I'm just doing a quarter of my lip. And then for our wings, of course, we're using the NYX Wicked Lashes because this look is very wicked.